Okay.
I'm videoing Riley trying to eat his. What you got there, Riley? What you got? What you got? There's Peyton. Peyton's coming over now. She wants to get her nose right in here. Hi, Peyton. Yep, go lay down. Go lay down. Where's your treat? Where's your treat? Huh? Hi, Riley. Yes, that's Peyton. Yes. Okay, Peyton's very confused. But you can see that Riley is enjoying his.
Right.
Well, actually, you can't see that, but I'm taking a little recording of it.
Right.
Okay, here comes Peyton. Peyton's coming back to hers. Here, I'll move over. We'll look at Peyton. Peyton, what you got? Where's your treat? Here, Peyton. Here.
That's a very good treat. I guess
Here, Peyton.
like it.
She gets confused about new things. There, see now she's laying down and eating it. Okay, we're gonna turn the camera off now.
Okay.
Say bye, doggies. Bye, doggies. See? Oh, here, I'll take a little video of the house. Nice fire. There's our tree. We're zooming around. This is our new furniture you haven't seen. And hope I'm zooming out. And there's my husband. Wait.
Oh, does he get a treat?
Just right there. It's probably good, honey.
I already had some popcorn.
We already ate, and he had poppycock. And let's see, here's some more new stuff you haven't seen. New chairs.
Having some poppycock?
Back around, and there's the dogs. Okay,
Yes,
bye recording, bye.